Okay, take a deep breath. So it is good day to you, huh? Very good to see each of you. Oh, very good to see you, dearest. Yes, as you know, you are now beams of light. You were beings of light before, now you're beams hitting the ceiling, huh? You know that the energy that is coming forth from you is what is shifting the consciousness of this planet. We want to walk around and look into every single person's eyes. Because with that, every single person can be activated. However, our sweet vessel Marilyn tells us we have to stay tethered to this so you can hear us. We think you can hear us anyway. But she still says we have to carry it for the moment. You see, technology is your friend. The technology in your body is also your friend. The technology that plugs into your soul is also your friend. You understand? When you experience that old muck, that old stuff, that's just muck. What do you do with muck? Hello? Stick it in the garden. Let it fertilize. Huh? To grow new muck? No. To use that muck as your foundation for your own personal growth. Very good metaphor, thank you. You understand what we say? That muck, that icky stuff is a part of you. Love it. Be grateful for it. And integrate it. So it is no longer in charge of your decision-making process. You understand? Because you are your greatest asset. You are the next evolutionary step of humanity. You bring forth light, love, images, messages, acknowledgement, creativity, buildings, bridges, connections to humanity. You bring forth that focus. And when you think of yourself as too small, oh, I can't possibly do that. It's not perfect yet. I don't know how. I've never done that before. I can't possibly do that. What will people think if I step out in the world and call myself a channel in a country western radio station? Huh? What will people think if I actually tell them that I see the auric energy around them and that I can tell when they're having a bad day or a good day? What will people think? That is none of your business. Yes? The world is changing. You understand? The world is changing. And as that world changes, you are a part of that change. You are of service like you've never been before. You are providing. You are blessed. And that's the truth. You are blessed to be here on this planet at this particular moment in time. Because this is we don't know how many shifts your planet has had. But this is the first time that it has shifted, that humanity has not been destroyed. Woohoo! Celebrate that. And to know that you're a part of that transformation. And everything that you learn is a part of you. And that sometimes you get to volunteer for someone to beat you so you can teach them forgiveness. Sometimes those people in your life volunteered for that to teach you forgiveness. Some people volunteered to teach you to love, no matter what. And you said yes to that position on this planet in a time that has never been experienced before. You've seen it all weekend about the quantum physics through Cryon and Lee Carroll, the researcher. We don't research anything. Neither does our vessel Marilyn. Not even how to work machinery. She does have a strong effect on machinery, though. As do you. Have a strong effect on everything that is around you. And as you have that effect, know that that's a part of why you are here. If you didn't see or sense what you expected, when you looked in at your best asset and your greatest talent and your greatest skill, then let go of your perception of how you ought to be. Because you have no idea. Yay! Start with that blank page or a mountain scene in Austria. Or somewhere. You see, that is how it works. You bring that blank slate in. You bring that energy of who you are. The goddess, or God, or God-I. We like that word because there's no sex involved. Although the vessel Marilyn likes that. She says to be quiet about it. Sex we're talking about. You know who you are. You know why you are here. If you believe that you can tell yourself now that you don't know why you are here and you don't know who you are, it is just because you're not willing to accept it. You understand? So get off of your high horse and accept it. Just stop telling yourself, oh, I can't do that, I can't be that, can't have that, can't see that, can't feel that. Whatever, blah, 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 blah. Quit telling that same story or change your bracelet. Huh? That's a habit. To tell yourself those stories that you didn't see or hear or feel something like you thought you ought to or thought you would. Change that habit. All the cool teachers are saying that. Change your thoughts, change your life, change your things. Thoughts become things, blah, blah, blah. You know that story. So why do you keep telling that old story again? If I can't do this. It didn't come in like you said it was going to. That's why we tried our best not to say. It is difficult. It is a new way of learning. It is a new way of perceiving. You have seen it in your teaching. It is a new way of experiencing. Life is to know beyond a shadow of doubt that every single moment is in divine order. No matter what that moment looks like, no matter what that moment feels, if it feels like the muck you're going to put in your garden, okay. What is the message from that? What do you get to learn? What do you get to hear? What do you get to sense? What do you get to feel? What do you get to know? What do you get to have? What do you get to experience? And how can you laugh about it eventually? Because good comes from everything. You understand? We're going to activate you all once again with the selenite wands. They're wands when we go through customs. They're actually swords of light, the weapon of the future that can't hurt anything. You understand? Is that all right?
Yes.
Good, because we would do it anyway. That's what those polka tatas are all about. Breathe. And again. Dearest beings of light, dearest beams of light, we love you so much. We came all the way from the 17th dimension just to be with you. We see you. We know who you are. We see your love, your light, your fears, your pains, your joys, your hearts that are yearning to expand and grow, and they are. We see you. And we hold up a vision, a mirror, for you to see you as well. I love you deeply. We honor you for your perseverance to attend this planet once again. As soon as you know yourself, you will know how to live. So let's do that tomorrow. Thank you. Namaste.